Yeah, my people, so me and NASA there out on the sea. We make our way from where we park and we venture up this side where we are going to jump off. Yeah, sea flat and nice. From this area, it's looking quite clean. Hopefully it can be clean all the way through. Visibility well good, you know. So we are gear up right now to make our way out into the water. Yeah, man. Now afternoon dive right now, you know my peeps. Yeah man, we're up on the mall road. Seems like weather coming, place overcast. But nevertheless, with the grace of God, we'll go out there and we're going to find fish. So come with us some people. Hear the thunder, weather coming, so we'll make our way out there still. So come with us some people. Yeah man. Yeah, my people, so I come back in, you know, me come back in some months for that dive here. I never complete it because I don't really have much in this video for sure because the weather, piece of weather come down on me out there. I lose sight of NASA, whiteout, I couldn't see none at all. It looked like a river somewhere come down, the place get dirty. And trust me, I abandoned the dive. So my day here I woke and prayed, I shout out to NASA out at sea. I couldn't find him, I couldn't hear him. Because his buckles, them white, the whole place white out. I couldn't even find my way back for the exit point. I couldn't even find it to come out of the water for show how severe the weather was. So I'm there, I sit down and wait to see him come in. Hopefully him come in soon because it's 4 o'clock. So let's pray to God, say him come back in safe and sound. 7 minutes to go. Just I hope him come back in time. You know, and I'm alright out there. But I keep on I say it, we need to find a strategy to come up with in circumstances like these. What to do and what not to do, you know? We need to come up with something that we can have in place to say, yes, this is what we're working with, so let's work with it. Instead of your guess and spell. You know, but pray to God, say I'm alright out there and I'm coming to sign on back whenever I can use things. Yeah, my people, so Nasa here, come back in. Yeah man, thanks be to God. This I tell me so I don't have enough memory space. So hopefully I save a little to see what I catch, so hang on a bit.